Now let's practice the A sound sentences in that casual style. This set of sentences doesn't have too many changes from the formal to the casual, but let me point out a few interesting points. So we often can connect words when we have a consonant-vowel pattern. It's natural for the words to just flow together. For instance, in this one, in number 4, we have the phrase, "You can keep us on track." So, keep us on. All those 3 words can flow together to really sound more like one word. Keep us on track. We can often connect the little word "of" to the following word, and especially if that following word starts with a vowel. In the same sentence we say, "a graph of our assets." So of our, meaning of our, can of and our connect and reduce a little and sound more like one word, of our. Okay, so I think that those are the major points. In this one, think about really connecting words as you speak words in phrases. Let's practice. We have only 3 days to develop the platform for our project. We need a strong game plan. Jax created our framework so that the project matches the company's brand. Sheila, you can keep us on track by creating a graph of our assets and daily status. Jason, you're in charge of gauging any faulty steps and monitoring our standards. Alice, Carl, and Ben, you're in charge of dynamic program development. Always remember that the program should create no hassles for the consumer. It should generate valuable traffic. As the authors of this project, we need to access a broad range of users. This range should be plausible but ambitious. Do we need more time to brainstorm? Great! Let's be ready to launch on Thursday. Okay, great practice.